Got a 2023 Ford F-250. This vehicle is going to feature the 7.3 liter V8. Got some nice LED lights. Got some gloss black 22-inch rims. Got some nice side steps. This vehicle also features remote start. Got some premium cloth bucket seats. You also got the full bench seat as well, and this will lay down. You got a little armrest, a cup holder. Got your touchscreen display. You also got trailer brake, four-wheel drive modes, ice cold AC. This is actually a local trade-in. Got just over 37,300 miles. Got automatic headlights. Of course, this is a crew cab. Got your WeatherTech mats. Everything's in really great condition. Also got the side step or bed assist. Got the rear sliding window. Also got a receiver hitch as well. Got some nice LED cargo lights, backup camera. Looks like we got like a little mat protecting the bed. And we got a WeatherTech tonneau cover. I believe this also has the 4x4 package. Got the 8-foot bed. It also has the STX package as well.